Hey y'all, Crazy Pop, and we're back again. And today I'm trying something I've never ever tried. I don't know how these are going to turn out. It's going to be a first for me. I think they're going to be good. We're going to try to make some smashed redskin breakfast potatoes. Now, I know in my mind what I think they should look like and how they should turn out, but we're going to actually see how they do. So, hey, come along with me and see how bad I can mess something up. But anyhow, hey, we're going to try this out. I think it's going to be good. In my mind, I'm thinking, hey, all these flavors together ought to make a really good breakfast. We'll see. We'll try it. Who knows? It's always fun to fail sometimes. So before we get started, hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Would love to have you here with all the fun that we have, trying new things out. Can't never tell what we're going to try. Sometimes you can't never tell who's going to show up either. So be sure to go down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Would love to welcome you here at the Crazy Acres. We have a lot of fun here. We really do. If you've been here, hey, we are growing. We're getting bigger, and it's all because of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can't tell you how much I appreciate it, and I love each and every one of you. Thank you. So with that being said, I got one more thing to tell you. We're on TikTok. That's right. Look up Cooking with Crazy Pop on TikTok. We're almost at 40,000 followers. Got some real great recipes going on over there. No dancing yet, maybe. Who knows? Might dance while I cook. Can't never tell. But right now, some great recipes over there. So if you're on TikTok, if you want to check it out, hey, would love to have you over there also. We also have another YouTube channel. Would love for you to check us out. All our adventures that we go on, all our roller coasters, theme parks, whatever we may be doing besides this cooking stuff is now on our channel called Hanging with the Crazy Crew. Link to all this stuff is down in the description. Also down there in the description is a recipe playlist. Be sure to check it out. Click on it. Look for a recipe. If you don't see what you're looking for, let me know. I would love to try something new out. So with that being said, let's fire this griddle up and let's show you some groceries. Let's get this thing fired up, y'all. I'm going all 4 burners, and we're going all the way down to low. I think that's where we need to cook at. So if we change up, hey, like always, I'll let you know. Groceries, groceries, check out the groceries. We have here 3 rather good sized redskin potatoes. I've already pre-boiled these. They're good and soft, so they'll be easy to mash. So remember that these are pre-boiled. I have some bacon. We have some mild sausage back here. I got some Colby Jack cheese. We got some eggs. Y'all, I cut up a few chives. I think some chives will look good and taste good on there. And y'all, got to season it up with some breakfast blend. I think that's all I'm going to use in this recipe. If I add anything to it along the way, hey, like always, I'll let you know. I'm seeing some smoke. That don't mean but one thing. It's time to get some groceries up on this griddle. So I think we're going to throw the bacon and the sausage up there first. Go ahead and get that cooking because the rest of it won't take long. Let's get our sausage over here, y'all. We're going to cut that up here in a minute. Let's go ahead and get our bacon going. Now, I didn't buy the high dollar bacon because I'm just going to cut it up anyhow. But hey, if you want to buy the high dollar, well, of course, any bacon nowadays is high dollar. Is there such thing as cheap bacon anymore? I don't know. All right, our sausage, we're just going to cut this up here. Just kind of get it going. Now this bacon grease and some of that sausage grease, more of the bacon grease, is gonna make a great base to smash some taters in. That's right, I said taters. Man, it smells like breakfast stuff out here. Smelling good. All right, y'all, it ain't taking long at all for this bacon to cook. Let's go ahead and flip it. Look at that. The bacon's cooking quick, y'all, and this is on low. But that's okay, I kind of want that fat to render out. I don't want to cook the bacon real quick because I want to use this grease right here to smash them taters. Let's chop our sausage up some more. Oh yeah, we're getting a little brownage on it now. That's right, I said brownage. You're doing all kind of new words here at the Crazy Acres. This bacon is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it up and let it cool for a little bit. Then we're gonna chop it up and then we're gonna get ready to make some smashed redskin breakfast taters. Let's get our bacon taken up, y'all. All right, the bacon's up, fixed to be cut up on that cutting board. Let's stir our sausage up a little more. It's almost done. So while that sausage finishes up, let's chop that bacon. All right, on this bacon, y'all, you kind of want it now. Ooh, this is good and crispy too. You kind of just want it small pieces. You don't want real big pieces. Of course, I'm sitting there telling you what you want. You cut them like you want them. I want little small pieces so I can sprinkle it over there. Like a bacon dusting, if you will. Ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of bacon dusting. Let's check this sausage. Yeah, buddy, that's what we want right there. Yep, that's it. So move this sausage all the way over, y'all. Right here. All right, we got the sausage moved over. I'm gonna cut these 2 far burners off and leave just the 2 left ones on for the taters, and I can cook the eggs over here on the cooler side. I think that's what I'm gonna try to do. So let's cut these burners off. Let they go, let that side cool down a little bit. Let's smash some taters in this bacon grease, and hey, I'm making this up as I go along, y'all. We're gonna see how it turns out. I'm just gonna take these red taters, put them on here. I've never done smashed potatoes before. And I'm just gonna smash them down. Now I'm wanting them big enough to put a fried egg on. That's what I'm after. That worked out pretty good. Let's try that one. Smash it down. Yeah, okay. We'll go with that. We'll go with that. Uh-oh. Nope, there it went, there it went. Y'all, they look pretty good. I think they're gonna be okay. Let's go ahead and get our eggs over here. We might have to flip these taters a couple times, I'm thinking. You know, I think I'm gonna change up. I'm gonna wait till I flip them potatoes till cook the eggs. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I don't want the eggs to get too done too quick and the potatoes not be done yet. So let's get these taters cooked, then we'll throw the eggs on there. Y'all, these are some thick red skin taters right there, but I really do think they're gonna be good. We're gonna flip them here in just a minute. These taters have been going on smashed for about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes now. I really don't know how long to cook them. I mean, they're already done. I kind of want to crisp up that side. I think let's go ahead and flip them, see how they look. Uh-oh, fell apart on me. But that's okay. That one did pretty good. That one kind of come apart, but that's all right. You know what we're gonna do? That's okay. Hey, I ain't gonna end up perfect every time. Even Crazy Pop makes mistakes. Believe it or not, it happens. Nah, seriously, it happens a lot. But I think we'll go ahead and start these eggs on here, and we can lay the egg on there and put a cheese on there and kind of bind it all together. Might put cheese under the egg, I don't know. Like I said, making this up as I go along. Let's go ahead and get the eggs on here. Just let them cook just for a little bit. And yes, Bruno, I'm leaving them running. All right, the eggs are on, won't take them but just a minute to cook. Them taters gonna kind of crisp up on this side, and hey, we're gonna put these things together and see how they turn out. Never thought I'd see the day I'd be wanting to cook a runny egg, but hey, things change. Sometimes for the good, sometimes for the bad. Y'all, you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw down just a bit of oil to kind of crisp them taters up just a little bit, just to see how that's gonna turn out with them. Just let them fry up in that oil. Oh yeah, they frying now, see. Oh, now you wanna cook. So let them taters fry up in that oil just a little bit. As you see, it's got a good bit of sizzling going on here. Hey, we're about ready to eat. About ready to try this out. Y'all, I think it's time to try to see what we can do to put these things together. Hey, let's see how this turns out. So I think I think what I'm gonna do is put a little cheese down first, kind of as a binder. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. On here for a base for that egg. Like so. Then I think we'll take I always have trouble getting my fried eggs up, y'all. And get a fried egg on here. Let's put another fried egg on this one. These worked out pretty good as far as the size of these fried eggs, y'all. They really did. All right, now, here's where you can really make it your own. Now we're gonna add sausage and bacon on them. So you add whatever you want, but that's what we're gonna add on them. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this sausage right here and just kind of sprinkle it around that beautiful egg yolk right there, y'all. That beautiful little egg yolk. Sprinkle that on there around that egg yolk. We don't want to cover up that egg yolk, y'all. One more thing before I end up really messing this up. Let's go ahead and kill this heat over here, okay? Now let's add some bacon. Sprinkle that bacon on there. Like so. Boy. I don't know how these gonna be. I do believe they're gonna be pretty good. Okay. I think, look, this one needs more bacon. All right, we had the bacon. Now we need seasoning. Let's put that breakfast blend on there. Hit a little bit of breakfast blend. Like so. Yeah, buddy, there you go. Oh, it's got some smell to it now, y'all. Let's add the chives. I don't know really what I'm doing. I'm making this up as I go along, but honestly, it looks pretty decent. I say we take them up and try them. Y'all look what we done made up on this griddle. Now honestly, I'm sure these have been done before by somebody. I just don't know who or how or what or when. But hey, you know, sometimes you just get a thing in your mind and you're like, well, if I did this and did that, and, well, this is what happens. So we gotta try these things out, y'all. We really do. I forgot to do one other thing. Y'all, I forgot to add the cheese back on top like I wanted to. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of give it a dusting of this Colby Jack cheese. Like that. Yep, I knew I'd forget something. So there we go, let's try it out. All right, y'all check this out. I put that cheese, I forgot to put the cheese on top like I showed you. That's all right, we dusted the back with some cheese. My main man showed up. He said he wants to give this a try, don't you? So, but before he tries it, I'm gonna go ahead and bust this yolk. Yeah, buddy, look at that. Look, show you that yolk running. Y'all see that yolk? Look at that. Let's try this out, Bryson. See what we think. I'm gonna get some of that runny yolk in mine. Oh yeah. I'll take this for breakfast any day. Need help there, bud? No? Okay. This is delicious. Wasn't sure how it's gonna turn out, but I can taste that little dusting breakfast seasoning, but that bacon, that sausage. Is it good? Yeah, is it bussin'? Okay, it's not bussin', but he'll eat it. Well, he ain't stopping, so I guess that's a good thing. Anyhow, I'll tell you what, these things, you can make them however you want. If you want ham on it, turkey, well, you know, this is Thanksgiving. If you want a turkey, breakfast turkey smashed taters, do it. I highly recommend that runny egg on here, though. Bruno, thank you. Thank you for opening up that world to me. I really appreciate it. So with that being said, I got to finish this, probably cook some more. He's got to finish eating too. So with that being said, we have to go. And hey, before we leave though, check out our other channels, check out our other videos. You won't be disappointed. It'll make your life a lot better, trust me. You know, you might be a millionaire tomorrow just because you did it. So hey, let me know if that happens, and we'll see you next time.